climb inside the 2015 Audi A8. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 300 horsepower, and load-leveling rear suspension maintains a comfortable ride. It includes leather upholstery, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, speed-sensitive wipers, a power seat, heated seats, a headlight cleaning system, power moonroof, and seat memory. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, a 20-gigabyte hard drive, and 14 speakers, yielding maximum audio versatility. Audi ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Safety and maximum capability are assured via self-leveling rear suspension, which maintains optimal driving geometry. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.